Did you know two men pulled off one of history's boldest art heists in just 50 seconds? February 12, 1994. While the world watched Norway host the Winter Olympics, two thieves struck Oslo's National Gallery. They knew exactly what they were doing. Police were busy with Olympic security across the city. At dawn, they placed a ladder against the building and climbed to a second-floor window. Inside, they cut Edvard Munch's priceless The Scream right from its frame using basic tools. Before leaving, they pinned a mocking note to the wall. "Thanks for the poor security." Total time inside, 50 seconds. For 4 months, Scotland Yard experts joined the hunt, while the thieves tried ransoming the masterpiece back to the government. Police went undercover, posing as art dealers to catch them. The sting worked perfectly. They raided the hideout and found the painting undamaged. 4 men were arrested, including an anti-abortion activist who claimed he stole it to protest government art funding. The heist changed museum security worldwide forever.